Alright guys, it is 4:30 in the morning. I was up at 9 this morning, so yeah, almost 24 hours awake, but we're getting there. Did finish off the screamer and almost the entire dump pipe, so I'll show you where I'm at. So see if we can get some light going here. Screamer just runs down the bottom there and then kicks, and then the not sure if you can see the dump where that finishes, but it's definitely tight. But if you want to make a 4-inch dump fit, I suppose that's how tight you need it to be. So as you can see, it's literally maybe 5 mil away from the brake master, the clutch master, sorry, long day, and about the same from the gate, and then on this backside runner it's about the same distance as well. So it's incredibly tight, but I think it looks awesome. So I am going to pack up now. I've got to tow a customer's car home to him, so I'll do that at early hours of this morning. And yeah, gotta get some Z's, come back today and get some more customers' cars done, and then keep cranking on this after work. So yeah, car's meant to be wired on Monday. My tail shaft's ready to go, so I pick that up tomorrow, well today, and I think Brady said that he can possibly wire my car today as well, so I'll get my tail shaft. Oh, and my kit's ready today as well, so I've got to go pick that up. Yeah, another mission of a day, but that's what you get when you're trying to make an event and you want to rebuild your whole car before it. So I'll see you guys today. Alright, gate is in position, very tight here, so I'm going to have to work out some heat shielding. So now I'm just going to work out what to do with the screamer. I'm just going to go on the left side there of the steering shaft, and then I'll make the back of this turbo. I want to fit a 4-inch actually down. Sorry, something just fell down there, so I suppose we'll see how we go fitting a 4-inch down there, but I think we'll be able to make it happen. It'll just be plenty of pie cuts. Alright, home slices. So I marked it all out and it's all welded on now. So now I'm waiting for it to cool down, and then I'll put it back on the car. Bolt the turbo onto it, and I can actually bolt the manifold on finally, and it'll stay on there. Put the turbo on, bolt the gate on, then I'll start making the screamer and the dump. Alright guys, so where were we? I think we were finishing off this fuel system. So I actually forgot to do a fair bit of filming last night, unfortunately, and I got a fair bit of the fuel system finished. Pretty much the majority of it, so I'll show you where we're at. So I've gotten all the lines sort of run through the car. I've got this set up. Sorry, the light's horrible. But I've got the lines all run through the car, and then they run up and into the back where you can't even see, and then sort of down into the front. I've got the fuel pressure reg connected, and the back of my fuel rail and the front of the fuel rail is also connected, and the lines run under there, all black braided Teflon. So I was going to make my own gate, as I do make, my own manifold, as I do make manifolds if anyone needs one, Kamikaze Flow. But my tune is on Tuesday, and the car gets wired tomorrow. And yeah, it's Thursday, so I'm running out of time. The manifold was going to take me a little while, so I bought a 6-boost. And now I'm just working out the gate position. So I pretty much have worked out where I need it to sit. Just grab this off the bench. So I'm pretty much going to have it kind of like that. And then the gate will sit under the brake master, just it's always a tight squeeze here, and I was going to actually delete the brake booster itself, but again, I'm sort of running out of time, and to be honest, funds. This has been an expensive build, so yeah, I'm just going to weld this V-band on now, and then I'll weld I'll reposition it onto the actual manifold itself, mark it, get the manifold off, weld it on, and then I can bolt the manifold on properly. And then yeah, bolt the wastegate to it, make the screamer, and I'll make the dump pipe. And then yeah, Phoenix Radiators have offered to send me out a radiator and an intercooler. Thanks heaps for that, guys. So that's coming tomorrow in the morning. So I'll get that intercooler in the morning, and I'll be able to fab up all my intercooler piping from there. And my radiator's a little bit far off, as they've made a new design radiator to suit J into S chassis. So I've got to wait for that. So for the time being, I'm just going to put my old radiator in there. And what I don't like about the J's is how these run across and up. I'm going to cut this off here, and then cut it off there, and then actually weld this straight back on so I can go straight to the radiator there. And then I'll set the thermos up. But yeah, we're getting there, guys. Let's keep getting it.